Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the password pin or lock or pattern, whatever you have on your Google Pixel phone, if you forgot it. So what you want to do is just hold down the power button, volume up, and you can see the power menu right here. Just hold these two buttons down, that's fine. And then just wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and switch to the power button and the volume down button. And then after a few seconds, release the power button and just hold down the volume down key. You can see that. And this will launch into the recovery screen. Just continue to hold this down, and then we should be good to go. After about 5 to 10 seconds, just wait. And the phone is now turned on. Use the volume rocker to go on down to recovery mode and tap power. So you can see this screen right here. Okay, if you see no command, just hold down power button, volume up, and tap that. So power button, tap volume up. Now we can go on down to wipe data factory reset, and then hit power. And then do it one more time, and this is going to wipe all the data off your phone. And then you can just sign in with your Google account, and you should be able to get all your contacts back and stuff. But you might have lost all your pictures. But it's going to remove that password lock on your screen, and then you should be able to use your phone like normal. So we can restart my system now, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.